you're looking at saving money and having a website that's still professionally looking and is very search engine friendly. So it ranks well on Google. Great. Hi, I'm Dave from FindNet Solutions. For over 20 years now, we've been helping people with effective web solutions. And we've created these do-it-yourself websites, and there's a choice of 36 premium templates to choose from. And they're all very easy to edit. You can change the theme colors, fonts, images, and everything else. We've also loaded in the back end a way that you can access up to 2 million stock images at no cost with a special compression plugin, so that they will shrink the actual size so the page loads faster. We've added 24/7 security monitoring with firewall as well for added security. It comes with an SSL secure certificate. It's hosted on a premium dedicated server, and you've got one-on-one support, and it comes with free training as well. Plus you have access to so many support videos that can show you how you can edit the website and do that. But it's very simple. It's just drag and drop, and it's one of the easiest platforms that's available, and it's the most search engine optimized. We also throw in some extra search engine functionalities for when you're doing blogs and things like that as well. Now, these 36 different premium templates suit all businesses. So whether you're a medical practitioner or a lawyer or a DJ or a band or a photographer or a church or you just need to do a personal resume or a professional profile website or a landing page. If you want to use it for gaming, or if you're a construction business or a travel agency, there's a template that will suit you, and they're all very flexible and can be changed and easy to edit and update. So as a bonus, we're throwing in so you can just click and activate the plugins for a chatbot, a pop-up, so that the screen will pop up when people scroll down a certain amount of the page or after a certain amount of time, and that can be promoting something that you're promoting, or it could be subscribe to your newsletter. The templates also come so they're easy to link to MailChimp, a free account of MailChimp, so you can send out up to 10,000 marketing emails per month on their free account. And there's also a plugin there so you can, visitors to the site can save, share, or SMS that page that they're on to their social media or to friends. So the reason why we set these up is because we see so often that people will go and try and set up and do it themselves website, and it wouldn't have the flexibility as their business growed. So here you're on the most search engine friendly platform that you can have. You've got support, and it's that flexible that you can add an e-learning platform, a membership platform. Some of these templates are for e-commerce, so it's easy to add, create a online store. So, and the great thing about it is you actually own it at the end of the day. Unlike a Wix or a GoDaddy or a Squarespace or a Shopify or a Weebly website, at the end of the day, you own it. You can download the files and put them on another server somewhere. It's yours. It's not like one of those other ones where if you stop paying your subscription, you've lost your complete website and got to start all over again. So you get all those extra features that we throw in that you won't get anywhere else. And we think that's important. So just click the link below and we'll send you a bit more information. Talk soon. Cheers, it's Dave.